this isn't what it looks like. If the last video you saw of me was putting in these braids, no you didn't. Mind your business, okay? I got this wig before I got these braids put in, and I wanted to fix it up so bad. I just think it's so cute. It's like a little 70s body wave wig. And I think the color is gorgeous. Like, maybe not from here, but from right here. Are you telling me that this is a synthetic wig? Guess how much you think this wig was. Guess how much. Okay, well let me tell you about it first. It's got layers. Color number 4. Very silky. It's got absolutely no lace. So you know that means bangs. 2 clips in the side. You see that? 1 clip here. And 1 clip here. And then the adjustable drawstring and comb in the back. How much do you think this costs? You know you're not gonna guess it when the person's already smiling before you even guess. This was $7.99. The wig store was having a huge sale, so we got this. And look at the little scalp looking like parting. I mean, I have to put something in there. But I love when they do this. If they're not gonna give you lace, at least put in a little fake scalp for me, babe. We're gonna fix her up. I don't even know if I can fix this on my head because look how long these braids are. How am I gonna... And then I already tried this wig on with like my natural hair, but I didn't do anything like fancy because usually I can put wigs on with just like a low bun. This wig was not fitting. So hopefully this will fit, because it's a little small. Let me see if I can do something with my braids. Okay, but why is this actually kind of cute though? This is the back. Let's hope this works. Is this even on straight? I put the clips in. Is this supposed to be a side part wig? Oh no, 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 no. Let me do that over again. Okay, so we had a little fight, but we're good now. So this is the Jomara Amalia wig in the color number 4. And I bought this because I saw it on the mannequin. First, I loved the color, and then I loved the curls. And then when it was on the mannequin, it was in a middle part. So I was like, oh my goodness, that's so cute. That's very like 70s vibe, especially if I like put a fringe in it. The back is a little bit bulky, but it's only because of the braids. But I think for like how many braids I have, I think this is pretty good. It's got a little bit of layers in the front, which I'm not too happy about because I plan to put my own layers in it. So I have a brush, a comb. I'm not sure how useful the comb will be. I have my straightener, and I have some very sharp scissors that I'm terrified of. This wig has layers in it. There's one here. There's some down here. There's some here. Here. And then all the way at the bottom we have the longest one. I just want to make them shorter. And I basically want to start the layer like right at my eyebrow and then feather it out going down. I'm trying to focus mainly on the top layer of the hair just because I feel like 70s hair was very almost pre-mullet like. So the top of the hair was very short and the bottom was really long. What I'm doing right now is framing the face so that the bangs can come here and then the rest of the hair can kind of make a line. What I'm doing with the brush is constantly combing it out because the 70s hair is very like flipped away from the face. So it's looking a little bit better. I want to try and do like a test strand and see how high I need my straightener. Okay, I put it down to 250. And I tried this strand while it was still pretty hot on 325 and it's straight. I just didn't straighten the end of it. So I think this should be good. I just want to take out this first row of curls. You know what? These bangs are not cooperating, but I know that I need to separate them first anyway. This is the hardest part because I'm left-handed and I have to layer the right side of my hair. Okay, now for the bangs. '70s bangs definitely go up and then they go down. I don't know if I like this. It's looking a little 90s-ish. I'm gonna have to change up the technique. looks so funny. Sorry if this is not like the most clear tutorial. This is the first time I've ever done this. I layer a lot of synthetic wigs so I know what I'm trying to accomplish, but trying to explain it to somebody else when it's the first time you've ever done it is a little hard. Right now I'm just making sure all the curls towards my face are facing the right way, because some of the curls in the wig came, they're just kind of naturally going in different directions. I love this, like how it looks like one curl, but when we get down to here, it's kind of a lot. So I think I'm gonna thin that out a little bit more. Perfect. This is what I'm going for. Just, it almost looks like one curl all the way down the side of my face. And this is all for what I have for the left side. This is all the hair, because this is the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and I will come back. Right? Whew, I look like somebody's mama. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so 70s, and I've never seen myself do something so specific from a specific period, but I love it. I love that like all the hair turns into like one curl here and one curl here. Oh my goodness. I also think I look so different. I also threw on this vintage shirt because I was like, you know, you have to complete the aesthetic. I cannot get over this. I think this is so cute. I've been loving different hairstyles lately, like different stuff that I would never do. Next I want to try a mullet, but we'll talk about this later. Let me just live my life with these braids. Also, speaking of braids, that is why I have this like lump right here. It's the side bun that I have, because I have two buns here. This one is very well placed in the back, but this one's a little more to the side. I think it just slipped while I was putting the wig on, like for the 14th time. But yeah, try not to. Just look at this side. Oh my god, I think it came out so cute. I hope this was kind of clear. I feel like you could kind of see what I was doing, so hopefully you learn by doing that. I would definitely use a straightener instead of a wand curler, just because the curls that you need are very, very loose. So when I would hold a strand, it wouldn't even be curled all the way in. I would just kind of tilt it and continue down straight like that. Like this, curl, and then continue. And it would be like a very loose wave. Anything tighter than that is definitely gonna be like a coil instead of a wave. And bangs, best choice I ever made, especially since there's no lace in this. But yeah, I love this. I can't wait to have my braids out. You know how girls are.
You know what would look really cute? Braids.
You get the braids put in and you're like,
you know what would look really cute? Straight hair.
oh my god. It's definitely something that I don't do too often. First of all, this color is something I don't usually do, and then I just figure, you know what, why not just take it and run? Do something like completely out of my comfort zone. For a minute there, I was panicking because I didn't think that the bangs were gonna look good. They're still giving me some grief, but overall, I think this was a really good idea. I've seen a handful of tutorials on YouTube trying to do 70s hair, but I haven't seen anyone do it on a wig yet, so I feel like this is something a little bit different, and this is definitely a way for you to try it, see if you like it before you want to do it on yourself. I hope you guys could understand what I was doing just by watching, because I know the verbal part is gonna be a mess. But thanks for hanging out.